automatically identify copied code submissions, ensuring originality and maintaining assessment integrity without extra effort. Right now, manually checking for copied code between candidates can be time-consuming and inefficient, making it difficult to ensure fair evaluations. With code plagiarism detection, you can automatically compare submissions and flag any copied code, saving time and ensuring accurate, unbiased results. To check plagiarism results, click on any test, select a candidate, and navigate to the Hands-on Question section under the Candidate Report. Here, you'll instantly see the plagiarism percentage for their code submission. With clear plagiarism scores and highlighted code, you can confidently identify copied submissions and ensure fairness in every assessment. Ready to ensure originality and fairness in your coding assessments? Start using code plagiarism detection on VCP today.